Today we are going to be testing 3 holiday-inspired drinks for you guys. We have Christmas mimosas, a Buddy the Elf cocktail, and Jack Frosties. They look all very interesting.
The Jack Frosties looks like my favorite.
That one looks like it's gonna taste good. I think the Buddy the Elf looks a little
sus.
But we're gonna try. We're gonna start off with Christmas mimosas, so let's get started. We're going to take our champagne flute and fill it halfway with champagne. Please do the honors.
This shit's
I really do have such a fear that I'm gonna lose an eyeball. Then we're gonna take a mixture of pineapple, orange, and cranberry juice and add it in.
I just love a good drag brunch mimosa.
It's like the lowest quality everything because it's just keep them coming. I'm a grapefruit fan personally. Also, like, you can't go wrong with the standard orange. Okay, a little bit of pineapple. I'll let you do that.
I used to go to this place for like waxing and sugaring. They always give you a peach Bellini.
Ooh, that sounds good.
It was so good.
Ooh, that looks so cute.
Nice
little crayon.
to help with the UTI.
Okay, it turns out it doesn't like fix it.
It just helps, right?
It just helps. I learned that one
I
the
just
hard
know that.
way. A little orange juice. Oh my god, so pretty! Okay, now to finish it, you garnish with cranberries and lime. We didn't have lime, but I did have a guava.
I like guava.
I do too, right?
Oh, you already put some in.
I put one in.
Pretend they're limes.
I've never tried a fresh cranberry.
Who has a guava on hand?
I went to the farmer's market, supporting small farmers. This is our Christmas mimosa that took about 2 seconds. Oh, that's really good.
I think I got all like OJ, which love.
All right, let's go into number 2. Moving on, we have the Buddy the Elf cocktail, which looks a little hard. So,
We got this.
we got it.
Hit
In
me.
a cocktail shaker. Oh, let's go over what they need first. Okay, first you need vodka. Then we need Kahlua. We need maple syrup, vanilla extract, molasses, ground cinnamon, ginger, I think ground ginger, heavy cream, whole milk or sweetened condensed milk, chocolate syrup, and whipped cream. This reminds me of when he does the spaghetti in the which is like all gross stuff together. We'll see if it tastes good. We're gonna combine vodka, Kahlua, maple syrup, vanilla, molasses, cinnamon, and ginger.
On it.
We need half a cup of vodka, so pour that in there.
Half a cup?
Yeah.
I was about to put a shot. Okay.
Here.
But how much is half? Is that like 4 shots?
Perfect.
I said don't do
It smells like a Sharpie.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't. What is this?
It goes in,
Rum
like-
and coffee liqueur, because they put it in like coffee drinks.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of maple syrup.
For people who think this is a
Oh yeah, that's the teaspoon, so we're doing 9 of those, but 3 tablespoons.
I need to say you're bad at math.
Now we're gonna add in 3 teaspoons of the molasses. I tried molasses, I think, when I was like in elementary school.
For PFCs at night.
You eat molasses?
I have.
3
It's
teaspoons.
disgusting. But apparently it's really good in brownies. So it's really good.
I think you add it to bread too. I just don't think this is gonna taste good. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Good job. We need 2 teaspoons of vanilla, which I'm just gonna eyeball. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just eyeball it. Why not? And 1/8 teaspoon of ginger. Now we shake this.
I'm kind of nervous.
I don't think it sounds yummy. Sounds thick. Add ice again.
That's a lot of ice.
Oh wait, we're gonna add ice. And then shake it. Ew, I don't wanna drink this. I'm scared.
Should we put ice in it?
No, it says not to. It just says straight into glasses.
I mean, it's mixed beautifully.
It looks like a pretty
I really
espresso
fucked up on
martini. Now we add heavy cream. Ew! It's like curdling. All right, we're mixing her. That looks good. Looks better. She's just having fun now. Oh, look at this like foamy top. That looks good.
Yeah.
There we
Yeah.
go. We do whipped cream on the top of this.
I've always loved whipped cream. Like the idea of it.
I love whipped cream. I'm like a kid who gets to stay home alone for the first weekend ever. Ooh, that looks good. Oh my god!
Damn it.
Wait, now I gotta do mine again. Do you want some chocolate syrup on yours?
Yes. Do you want a cookie? Same one?
Your pick. Surprise me.
That's like a swirly.
Little chocolate. Ooh. I mean, it looks beautiful. I always think about how you would like pay for this at a restaurant. Ooh, cute. Little peppermint. I'm gonna do little trees. So cute.
Buddy the elf is shaking.
Buddy the elf is shook.
He's shook.
This is what he wants for breakfast.
Candy canes, candy corn.
Okay, cheers.
How do I even do this?
Whoa. Oh my God. It's strong, but it's kind of good.
I only got whipped cream.
It's pretty good. That's actually really strong.
What's the alcohol percentage?
1,000?
Oh, 1,000. Love that. No. She says no.
It's not bad.
It's just straight sugar and vodka, but it's pretty good.
If you like hot chocolate, then you'll like it.
Oh my God.
And rum.
I really like this. All right, last one is the Jack Frosty. So this is a blended ice drink. That's very much up our alley. We've got ice in this blender. In our little measuring cup here, you're gonna do half a cup of vodka. While you do that, I'm gonna do this. You take your cup and you take some lemon juice or like a lemon wedge and you go around the top of it and this makes the top wet. And then after that, you dip it into some sanding sugar. And you've got a rimmed glass.
Cute.
Yeah.
Low-key, that makes sense.
Half a cup of Prosecco in there as well.
Oh, in here. Okay.
Add that to here.
Now, quarter cup of blue curacao.
I love blue curacao. Have you ever had an LA water? I haven't.
A quarter
I don't
cup?
remember.
Looks like Windex.
And then a quarter cup of lemonade. Mr. Clean. Quarter cup of lemonade, please.
I am such a citrus, like, oh shit.
Okay, and then we just pour that into here. Oh
Hooray!
my God. I've always wanted to buy blue curacao so I can make like drinks like
Cute
they do at the
drinks,
bar and
yeah.
stuff. Okay, you do the honors. Really does look like Windex.
It does.
Oh, you know what? That
Close
one looks
it.
a little chunky. I think that's actually perfect.
Okay. I was like, oh.
Good job. Okay, then pour it into our little glasses. This is getting us prepped for our truth or drink. I like the foaminess. Oh my God, that's beautiful. She's
It's
close.
fine. It's a slushy. It's a slushy.
It smells strong.
Strong.
Oh my God.
But the ice, I like the ice.
The sugar on the rim helps it because it's sweet. Yeah, this is kind of strong. I would add maybe like a little more lemonade actually. Should I do like a splash of this?
Can we put a real lemon in there?
Yeah, go off.
A little garnish moment.
Beautiful.
Jack's on vacation.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I want this at a pool.
Which was your favorite?
I think actually the Buddy the Elf one.
I like the first one.
The first one?
That was my favorite for sure.
This one's not as sweet as I would like, honestly.
I
Would you
just
agree?
want more like citrus with this. But if we can like, you know.
We'll mess around. Nothing's going to waste. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to listen to Pretty Basic. New episodes come out every Wednesday. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Here's to 2020 ending.
Woo!
Yes.
Okay, bye 2020.
Okay, bye 2020.